link, or we can actually send you a link and the OTP code. You went to your email just to verify. So you click the email and which is the part, put the OTP. Now put your username and password. Sorry, put your password because you already got your email.
Just your username.
So now every time you can sign in with this username and password, and you can sign in with the Amazon as well. After you complete the sign in, next time, either you can use the username and password, or you can actually click the Amazon button. It will be, system will be allowing you
To sign in.
sign in. Because in the TS4's backend, it is actually storing both. Single sign in with Amazon, go ahead. Sign in with our username and password, because you already know this is the Amazon ID, go ahead. Because we have the both flexibility in the platform. So don't you think its user engagement is increasing now?
Yeah.
Because more users will be coming to your platform. Okay, go ahead. Faria, did you understand this?
Yes.
And the next one, you guys just transfer here all the button. Agile ALM, Git, right? Into IT interview ready. That's it, the same. You can do the same thing for the like our other platform as well. Farhana, go ahead. Did you ask something?
I'm good. So far, I understand.
Okay, because as a product owner, that's how you will be actually thinking the different how the feature is designed.
Mhm.
Based on this, we can write so many user story. Correct?
Right. Yes.
We'll be writing the user
So,
story. Go
in
ahead.
future, when we when do all that writing, can we go and edit it, or I mean, how does that work?
Here you can hear.
Or we can add more stuff to it?
Yeah,
Like
yeah, here.
right now, if I have some information, but then I go back again and read, and then I have more information, I can come here and add it.
Absolutely. It's,
Yeah, you
it's
can
your
just click
continued
that.
journey.
You can just
Okay.
add it button.
This is your continued journey. Yes, you work with the business back and forth to understand and to actually modify, beautify. Then yes. See, you guys can do. I did it. Just do not delete it, please. It will be
We're
gone.
not deleting.
Yeah.
You need a-
Yeah. Good. Any other question? And here you can create the sub page as well. You can create the sub page for the Amazon one. Now look at this. Look at this one.
Create a subpage.
Faria, if you want to just bring the Amazon information, you can create the sub page for Amazon, sub page for Google, because you need each of the integration details.
Separately.
Yes. This is the feature. Then you can actually separate them. That's how it works. And this actually another feature will be only TS40 single sign-on. This is the TS40. Actually, this is a large feature.
Yeah, like a lot of third parties involved.
Yes. Good.
Mhm.
So I want you guys to complete this feature, to think based on what I said, how to implement, how to write the user story on this, looking at this. That's the your test. Looking at this, what type of user story has to you can write. Everybody can write their own way. There is no problem. But write something, then you will be understanding the process. Because then you win the feature on your head, then the feature vision, feature outcome, and what is going to be providing the benefits with this feature, you can see a lot of good work. So all of you need to, on your brain, it should be the feature high level details. Then you are going to the low level. Low level means story level. Either story is the low level. Good?
Yes.
Okay, sounds perfect. So now the Faria,
Yes.
one more thing for you. You will be designing a sprint. You need to clean up your existing sprint. Okay. And then bring the, okay. Bring all this for Shmul. Bring all this like these are the task. So you can see the Agile ALM. Okay, no, you design yours. You just create the user story just by the title, all of this. This. I will be clean up the remaining. I'll be adding more details.
Okay, should I add that on the workshop section? I'm doing it like I did on E2 journey.
No, here, on this. On this here, on this, create in the backlog, you'll be adding them.
Okay. In the backlog.
Yes, in the
I'll
backlog.
create a user story and under that I'll add those tasks.
Yes, add those tasks, and then slowly you will get you will see he's working on each of them.
Okay.
Good. And then I'll be adding more details as continue. And then once you put on your sprint, and you will be adding all the details on the sprint. Good.
Okay, first I'll have to create a new sprint. That way everything will be cleared up.
Yes. Yes. Will be yes. And then on the carry over all this user story.
Okay, got it.
Okay. In the meantime, we also did something on the front end as well. Look at this. We changed the front end. It was not before like this, right? Do you guys remember? Our front end was like the different before.
Yeah.
Right? Now the front
Oh,
end
I
is
understand
different.
that.
Yeah, we changed it yesterday as well.
Oh, we literally have to go to the thing, courses to see all the courses. Now we can just scroll down and.
Yeah. It was like the pocket. It was like the e-commerce pocket, but we just changed it. So why you do this? So that the user can see the difference in the website always.
Yeah, more user friendly.
Yeah, or user friendly or see something new, something catchy, new design, whatever you call it. So those part of the actually.
Or you have like videos linked with that too.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Yeah. And there is a problem here actually.
Where?
There is only this said explore more, right?
Okay, if I click explore more.
Then it is take. Why not? I want to add the same link on this button as well. So that it will people clicking in bringing in this page. On the image, if I click it, it should bring it.
Become an AWS Cloud Ops engine.
Make sense?
Mhm.
So that will be the enhancement or the improvement.
So,
Good. So, like we will be, because our team works like the dynamically. We're fast. Before you guys write the user story, things are done.
yeah,
So it's fine because you guys are transforming, not a big deal, not a problem. Okay, thank you guys.